So I've been asked the question, what can I do now, Lynn, now that I'm going through my reactive alopecia and I want my hair to still look fuller while I'm going through my treatment, right? And that takes a few months. That's a really good question and I'm going to help you answer it. I've got a few tips for you. Number one is you could change your parting. See, just by changing your hair parting, that itself is an instant way to give you volume. Number two, you could consider using volumizing products. I love my volumizing spray. After I shampoo, I towel dry, I spray it at my roots, yeah, and then I blow dry. It gives me nice bounce and volume. Number three is I could change my hairstyle. A simple haircut can make a lot of difference. I could go for a blunt cut. Cutting it really blunt and straight gives the illusion of fullness. The fourth tip I have is hair coloring. I'm not a huge advocate of hair coloring, but well, sometimes we need to have it. We could do an illusion of hair coloring that gives you fuller hair. By having your roots dark and your hair lighter at the ends, it gives that illusion of density. The roots are dark and the hair ends are light. So these are the 4 tips I would like to share with you that you could do immediately, in the next 6 months while you're doing a hair loss treatment process to get back to this fullness. This is a great way to give you volumizing, dense hair. So if you've learned something today, if you've liked what you've seen and you want to learn more, please like and share and follow me.